Welcome to the world famous Guarantee RV Supercenters right here in Junction City, Oregon. I'm Gary Christians, bringing you some nice travel trailers today, and I hope you really enjoy it. Just to your right, heading up front, is the queen bed. Has closets on both sides, nightstands on both, and electrical outlets, so if you have a CPAP or need some power during the night, it's easy to plug into. The bed does raise up, has storage under the bed as well as pass through across the compartments up front. Moving down the driver's side, you've got soft curtains on both sides for entry, for privacy. Then you have a nice U-shaped dinette that does make down into a nice, comfortable, good-sized bed. And moving towards the rear, you have your pantry, top and bottom. And then just beyond that, you're going to have a nice, spacious bathroom with the sink inside, and it's got double sized bunks, so you can actually fit 4 in the rear, 1 on the dinette and 2 up front, so it will sleep a fair amount of people, and with comfort too, because of the slide out gives you more room. Coming up on the door side, moving forward, you've got a nice Norcold double door refrigerator. In front of that is a microwave, 3-burner stove. And of course the front one is a high output for that big pot or pan that you want. Oven down below, a spacious double sink, plenty of counter space with drawers galore. Outside there's electrical awning, and you've got a gorgeous outdoor kitchen that slides out with a sink to do your dishes, plenty of room for paper plates and things that you don't have to run back and forth inside. Hey, I wanted to thank you very much for taking time to watch the videos on our website. If you have any questions on this product or anything else, well, who would you call? Well, call Gary Christians. My direct number is 541-554-9581. My email's on the screen. I look forward to working with you.